Sierra Leone's ever-growing youthful population still continues to grapple with high rates of unemployment and other challenges. Despite the enormous challenges, young people are still working on realizing their potential. With emerging entrepreneurs and innovators, Youth Encounter on Star Television and Radio is a program that showcases successful young people, discuss the challenges, and provide recommendations. Join Mohammed Basir Sanusi PM. It's Youth Encounter on Star TV on Channel 21.
We create talk for till until we say snail no mix per blood business. Now so I go welcome you to another edition of Youth Encounter, and you come to live on Star TV Channel 21. Me now presenter Mohammed Basiru Sanusi. Inside the encounter today, we look inside non-violence and how community and themselves don't play their part, and same way so activists themselves say we need to get a peaceful election during, before, and after. And inside the encounter today, I get as guest Mohammed Mukhtar, back on the call Mukhtar of Team 10, and also KME. Mukhtar is a very strong editor and they support the sector throughout. Mukhtar, we want to say thank you and welcome inside the encounter.
Yeah, thank you very much.
Like also you did behind the camera today, now you did before the camera.
Yes, I don't come in front of the camera today.
How will it look like?
Well, it's so like inspiring. You know, I feel I'm so like one camera we are not really imagine.
Okay.
Like for the very first time. You know, I don't really behind the camera for a very long time now. It's not the very first day for that come in front. So I say I'm kind of different way right now. You understand?
Instead of you direct today, direct you.
You direct today.
And that's fine.
Yeah, so
put camera back cameraman.
Yes.
That's interesting. And we say also get now the studio Mohammed El Mara, Oga Wowo. Oga Wowo, want to say welcome inside.
Okubash, thank you very much for getting me family. And this it's your boy, that's what I say, it's your boy, you know what I'm saying. But this now Oga, and of course we there for can talk, but you know Okubash la no beat.
You want to keep on so forth.
Yeah, la keep on.
And the same also get one fine Creole man inside the studio.
Alimba.
Oh, Alimba man.
Alimba.
They want to see you man the rest today. If you buy any flag beer. And then like Richmond Parcel, Coca, Richie Obama. Richie Obama, nice to get you inside the encounter.
Yeah, how are you?
How do you find
Yeah.
I'm happy to be here.
Yeah. It's the man that got
who's on the camera? Camera the book is
Anyway, you take.
I want to say good evening to everybody and thanks to you, Bash, for this wonderful time where we can spend together. I want to say glad for there this evening. And let's not talk too much. I just want to cool them down. You know, so right now, as the election on the near, we myself don't go for honorable now up to 15 constituency. You forget that they all add them up. And
you want to it?
Yes, let me go for constituency 101, 102, 103, 104, 105, 106, 107, 108, 109, 110, take go 20.
Yeah.
So like, but I don't get party. So like all the parties then join together. So like what add all me vote that I get from Waterloo, take inside town. To go Aberdeen, add all together. They go parliament.
Richie Obama, we'll come back and carry on to talk to him. The role when we play inside Mastermind, the non-violence kit. We say we also get Thomas more content. Thomas a strong advocate and you know we set him up for any way to go in this country. I don't partner with Mastermind. We Citizen Advocacy Network, one for the voice. Thomas want to say welcome inside the encounter.
Thank you very much. As you introduced me, I belong to the Citizens Advocacy Network, and part of what we do now for promote civic consciousness and tolerance in processes like this, electoral processes as we go into elections now. And we so moved by meeting Mastermind they do, and as an organization we believe say we can help in promoting good things like this. We don't decide for getting marriage.
Okay.
People call it partnership.
Yeah, we come together.
With Mastermind Consortium to see how we go join hands and put heads together for promote a worthy cause.
Okay, I'll come back and carry on with time. In name now Thomas More Conte and you come on a Citizens Advocacy Network. You know what you think encounter they come to you live on Star TV Channel 21 and the internet broadcast now www.startvsl.com. Not gonna site and you self carry on for sending you message to the number +232 88127 227. We'll come back and carry on with the encounter.
Sierra Leone's ever-growing youthful population still continues to grapple with high rates of unemployment and other challenges. Despite the enormous challenges, young people are still working on realizing their potential. With emerging entrepreneurs and innovators, Youth Encounter on Star Television and Radio is a program that showcases successful young people, discuss the challenges, and provide recommendations. Join Mohammed Basiru Sanusi PM. It's Youth Encounter on Star TV on Channel 21.
Welcome back. You still watch Youth Encounter, and it comes to you live on Star TV Channel 21. As we talk on we say snail no mix per blood business. So we advise people out there for avoid threat and vote for who they want. Local with the Encounter. Mukhtar, let me first talk about the first time we mastermind call you. So we don't get comedians, then we for serve as flag bearers them from different political parties for get this entire skill. So the message will reach the last person himself at the last village. How do you look like?
Yeah, it been really nice. You see, one thing we mastermind they do, we actually work with them comedians there, like for see how best we safely contribute to the political violence and this electoral tolerance, you understand? In a way we say at least you will reach the last youth one say, oh man, this election we're running for fete. You understand? If we fete, now one against alone we get. We can't pull an addition, we're not gonna side for war. Them and there, one of the comedians that you see right now, we then try for mimic them politicians there. We still say we'll take this direction. I mean, like people then go more concentrate to them compared to how they go look at the real people then. Because when they do them, then you get some humor inside, you understand? Then also you see the message you go through. So I believe that the main purpose way we decide for partner with them comedians there and see how best we push them in the local language.
We understand say mastermind not get any funding for doing kind of a project here. Most of the student projects here now Southside plenty money in the you know how not gonna sustain so far.
Well this now voluntary we do. As I say earlier, this now we take them to some fit say we say need for giving contribution to this political business we going right now. You know, but yeah still we look for funding. You open anybody can come inside for can fund me. You understand? But as at now, voluntarily they do the comedians and also then say voluntarily do not pay them no nothing.
I'll come back to him. His name is Mohamed Mukhtar Ba, and people only call him Mukhtar. Now the editor and also the person we say we so film the short skits on the see around when I get most of the comedians them we at least they mimic the flag bearer candidates them from major political parties. Okay, I'll talk about when I tell you what you role. You play the role of mother.
Yeah, mother.
How it look like for going to the party office? See, I can play mother being role, talk like mother and all.
Well, first of all, I want to tell that they got thank you for this big opportunity for come across with Mastermind, especially a big brother way in Barrister Saw. Of course, I come from now inside September. Like, you say you want to work with few of the comedians in the country. And of course, we count for, we count ourselves lucky for the part of this project. 5 comedians. We are not the best in the country, but I tell you what, thank you for saying we're part of the best. So like it tell me say now this is the first project. Let me try for mimic them and keep people in the party. Because when you talk about political party, it's about the say this is the flag bearer, the listener pass everybody.
Yeah.
Because now if instant message it go down well. Let's take for example say maybe take the role of somebody who express so much when the flag bearer and SLPP and Uncle Mr. Madabi as making call him. Okay. Of course now somebody who express so much. So like when they say that will have to take. So as you do I begin think how we go can talk like Madabi. You don't say Madabi that kind of quiet somebody, that kind of person way they talk plenty. And me now one kind of person who I feel say like I not sabi talk about it, try for talk. But I go out, do some of I try for do research, try for talk like watch some of and past speech then video that we don't do. So I try as best as possible for just give that small attribute for man, because I'm a very great man, that small attribute for man and try for just be like but you know, be lazy. Like I remember when we go to the party office and it was Friday, so we say one for can do this. Then if it's any kind something where they send the party name that negative way,
Okay.
they want begin reject because we meet the Secretary General day. So we explain game and if you advise you make just like rehearsal before. So like
Yes. We didn't say exactly.
fine.
It's now purpose.
Exactly. So it's like we do that, they appreciate everything and we do them. So it's all about history now.
And the ones that still don't go viral now.
Really,
You know, they get several interviews for
Really,
them.
yeah.
I'll come back to you, Oga, we'll carry on for talk. Oga, let me take the role of mother.
Yeah.
Other people like the likes of Kindo, BT, Kamarimba, and Salon Trump. And each of myself don't come on board the project. Which school did you take inside the entire skit?
Before I answer that question, they will show me shoe first.
Okay,
Yeah,
you show
show
very
me shoe.
bien, eh?
Richie behave.
They will show me shoe. Boss man, show me shoe. Na me brand na he lends me and say la bit so that for Kana studio. Manager, I don't show up at the TV. Let's continue now. You ask me nice question. You say also, well, I mean right now they take the role of Chief Alhaji Sam Sumana, where they represent the C4C party. And when we've been doing the radio program, I've been taking role very well. And I believe say since that day, some people been facing a reality program.
Yeah.
What
I
is
begin to
it?
see-
All the flag bearer.
Oh, okay, one funny thing happen. I begin see phone call. Hello? You don't know now say na C4C dey. All around I mean no answer say you those party dey. Now say no na joke. Oh, fi say no more. People me area, people there. Okay, now some man bites. Some man bites. They say me na one mates. Yes, this na me the sister no be dey go for party. Dem dey observe say I got for big one mates for one party. Pass when now when finally now done now, we are crack joke and people don't know say no to me na the one mates. You understand, eh? So like for more come in with mastermind, as you say mastermind, then get mind for do things then.
Then get mind.
Mastermind and get mind.
Mastermind.
Mastermind then call we on board, talk with we. But like I've been travel out of the country, I go many places out of the country, go Boku cities, I go like Bo, I go Kenima, you know, like that. So like when I come free tongue, I can work with them one on one. And you see lawyer so a very good man. Even though you know like portray himself in the public. A quiet man. A quiet, but when they in quiet mood, now they do good things then. I know I like popular. So I know they call the name again. Say. The lawyer with the mastermind with Mutar, they all they do good things then. With Mr. Moore, they all they do good things. With Meme Bobo,
Behave. Behave.
Meme Boda,
Yeah.
all the guy for like we work towards this non-violence. Let people, let youth them and also Sierra Leoneans, you know, at large, let we get a knowledge say, how to turn this for like when they say election will begin fair to self, will begin chuk with self. You know, on the way where they come to studio today, believe me, at the beginning they get over sports, at the camp. If you see population, if you see crowd, they chook pussy, then they pass with time before we. Then they don't know for happen. That the English soccer boy they talk say, that don't know bobo so, would they bobo pass 6 months for that? I say, well this is not called for. But that moment they are not get my can go talk to them. You know, they're not going to listen to me because they tell them they're all lost, two all lost. You understand? Eh? So like with that, you know, say one could tell people out there say, mastermind, preaching non-violence to people. Say go to the layman because comedy in a one kind pathway, but people they give attention of late to
And the
comedy.
message was very easy for selling Nigerian comedy.
Simple. It be simple for send out. For the fact being that we will not represent any political party. You understand? Eh? We are doing it for the sake of Sierra Leone. The law will get for if Salon, if you point Salon, so I will go. Me I bet me if Salon point, I guess I will go. I go to Donald town. Serious move. You understand? Eh? On the most serious side, law work towards let Salon reach to the peak. And let Sierra Leone begin get that kind of election way. After election or before election, all man they peaceful, we'll discuss them, we'll laugh at them.
Okay, which one I come back to, we'll talk about how we don't impact other young people in life and we get plan to take them to the road show because people don't get access to TV or that of radio for not exactly waiting the message when comedians here the past as flag bearers. And name now Richie Postel Coca, people they call him Richie Obama. Let's go to Thomas Moore. We Citizen Advocacy Network and we don't partner with Mastermind. You talk about say the marriage don't the tigi one, but you must not see strong potential in some mastermind when we can decide for join them. How do you intend for take the advocacy inside this project what they gonna do?
Yeah, well, as I say initially, can done the work on a lot of projects. We only undertake non-violence campaigns and what have you. And part of what we do now for provide civic education to citizens of Sierra Leone. So like in a quiet moment, I go WhatsApp and see the things that we mastermind do, and I see one or two faces we familiar. Firstly, how we get for come in contact with each other. I see we my colleague since university days. Now we go college and we graduate together at some point. So I see say are interested in that. It look resonate. It look they in line with what we do as an organization. So I call them and say I really impressed with what they do, and the idea of having comedians for send a message, a very serious message in the form of fun, very important, and I feel saying I love the venture. I decided to call and say I'm interested in it, and let me see how we will work together as young people and as organizations for push this worthy cause. Because as Richie and we brothers they don't say, the electoral process don't be characterized by a number of challenges.
For real.
People they don't take sides, we don't see families they scatter. We don't see brothers they fight themselves. Mama they look picking barrier because they are different political parties. Now this particular initiative go actually create a platform wherein people will sit down and also say belonging to a political party no mean say una for be at loggerheads, no mean say una for be enemies. Waiting and comedians there for manifest at the end of the day now a picture wherein politicians them, candidates them will come out, talk on them plans, talk on the manifestos, give the ideologies of the respective political parties them. But in the midst of that, then will also promote peace, tolerance, and non-violence. It really appalling, it really disappointing that as we go into elections, we get incidences of violence.
Yeah.
We get cases of people stabbing each other just because somebody wear red, somebody in this other party will stab them. Because that person wear black, the people also other person in another party will see them that way. It's bad. Politics not a game of war. Politics will be a game where we will be very sober-minded. Now time this, we Sierra Leoneans for Sidon, be very sober-minded, for choose the right person way for represent we for the next 5 years for the presidency, and for the one way for represent you in different constituencies then. But if we involve in the kind of things then we will see now, where most young people they do now, they get the tendency for make we lost focus on the primary goal, which is to have people we thorough for represent we for make our lives them better. So that is where the comedy don't be very important, because in the midst of tension, in the midst of acrimony, we bring in people where they can with laughter. So this program for take place at Miata Conference Hall on the 20th.
Okay.
For take place at Miata
So
Conference
if I
Hall.
go showcase all the skills you want to do this.
Wherein then comedians they also mastermind in collaboration with Citizens Advocacy Network and any other organization we want for be on board, because I feel say this now an initiative will be owned by Sierra Leoneans. It will be a citizens movement. We will launch a campaign against non-violence in the elections. We will launch a tolerant campaign, and that is why we want to let Sierra Leoneans own this thing. We need to applaud the comedians and firstly. I'm really impressed with them, because for the fact that these are people where they're supposed to be paid huge money, because what they do, they really revive the souls of people. In the midst of people and the stress, the depression, then people also they bring succor, they bring solace, but they don't decide to give themselves free of charge. I'm really impressed with them and I have to congratulate them on that. And the program therefore be free of cost, not to any trade they have to pay for going
And this one, the more young people have
so
to come and
it's
be
a
part of
free
them.
of cost program. You they are not saying a free of cost program on the 20th of February. Come out at Miata Conference Hall, witness them powerful comedians. They are one of the best set of comedians you ever get in this country. Where they go showcase their talent. When you listen to Kino, when Kino they talk like Kamalimba, somebody when they listen to 98.1 say no, this is a Kamalimba go. Richie Obama tell me
And
say,
they also take the point of Salon Scrum.
yes, Richie Obama tell me say people let me they call him. In fact, they call her seriously say even candidates they even impressed because they hear the voice, they forget to say no to the serialist, to even the candidates them.
Yes.
So we are going to invite all of them, Mastermind and Citizens Advocacy Network. We work on that. We invite all of them people there. So we want even the candidates them. We want political actors them for the present day. And want people who feel say this is a program way worthy for really come on board and sponsor the program.
I'll come back to him. In name now Thomas More Conte and the Commoner Citizens Advocacy Network as a long partner with Mastermind. Mukhtar, you be there around the system. Despite you do Mastermind, you shoot each and every one of the comedians them we don't do. But we'll not be shoot Richie Obama.
Yes.
So when we shoot Richie? Because Richie said them for shooter.
No, I'm not ready for that yet.
Okay.
Not to that kind of shoot today.
Oh.
Yes. We actually we don't do it, but as it says just now, they are around during the process. We travel, we go different places, different countries, as you say.
Yeah, go different cities.
Yes, go different cities. So that will make we fortunate to be part of this one. But I believe the next one and the one at Miata Conference Hall. You understand? And when our 20th February, Miata Conference Hall, it will be free. You understand? When a youth summit program, when I will see on live on stage, and we get more for you.
As a young person, you find say you enjoy what you do this film and editing work.
Yes, I like him as a profession. I so appreciate her. You understand? I just pray like we get more investors who can invest in this business because it also generates a revenue generation. You understand? If we get people maybe they can put money inside, But I like him as a person. I like him as a professional.
And what's gonna be your contribution to young people and all about the country?
Great. I don't contribute in nation building. I don't do so many things for several different artists in this country, musicians, you understand, as well as movies, documentaries and all. The likes of LXG, I don't do videos for them. I don't do videos them for like the Cardineros, you understand. I don't do for Innocent. Plenty of other artists, Blessed Future, Cap Twist and Samza. I don't work for several artists, So like I actually this year very interesting, as a profession.
To an extent, I will understand say Mastermind self not pay you anything, just as in the case of the comedians then.
Yes, I actually come in not because of payment, but as myself one give me a contribution in nation building. You understand? This is a voluntary team. We already know the team, we all not volunteers. We not do it because of money or because we expect something. We actually do it because we like we country. You understand? If I don't volunteer for do this, other person say I can't volunteer for do this. You understand? All hands on deck, we will reach you someone.
I'll come back to you. In name now Mohamed Mukhtar Ba, we are the editor for the Mastermind skits we don't go viral. Like I'm to Ogawa again, yes, Mohamed El Mara. Yeah. When don't be the reaction from the public? People say we know you play the role of mother, and that is a young contribution towards nation building, especially we approach the elections now. So people have to stay from violence and give more emphasis to the issues than for going go first for things that are not necessary.
Yeah, and thank you very much, Uncle Bash. And of course, and I just want to say part of your own corporate social responsibility, because as a comedians, this is a profession where we take. Understand? Of course, not to any kind of part we go say like the likes of Kilo graduates and Yemata faculty, of course, and Rich Obama maybe one in the FBC final year, myself there so like when this video become out, like now be just one kind big noise. You like that kind of reaction be there. So in a mother bit naturally they come in on our campus. Mother be as no, this will not get untwisted. Me a comedian. Understand? Because the post for do Facebook and talk and say, please don't not get untwisted. We as a people away they watch, we not for power seeing how they pin. So like I'm glad for the idea we of course we come on board because as a young somebody, when me come to young man they watch me, I each piece to him, it will be the best. Not to somebody where if you say a big for you, we all in the same age group. We all have that same role if you say we take 2 kids, beg a park, we dance in the streets, we fetch we serve, that all not called for. So I'll be so happy we in as much as not be free, because me give myself willingly with all and everything and talk show and video skit all for do. I don't give myself free. Let myself play my own small role in my society. But at least all the country me sabi. Me the only visa again ID card. Nothing again no the bra. So now we did.
So
So now
you don't see.
Papa ya fana to sim se no dey pan sim. Me am not sim no dey pan me self bra. Small work get am dey no dey. But we love this country because now we dey. So as a comedian I believe for say if you want to go for go chairs program, do events and they preach non-violence by this election because I believe say na this salary we get and who boil am bra. No some of we able for see the war we be happen in this country. We don't get sense.
A lot of experience.
Really.
So what are your preparation for the 20th February?
Well, and
obviously for take more young people in, like the one from the slums, the one from the ghetto them,
really.
and let's have can see because now you fans them as well.
Really. And of course, Oga wanna somebody who can say me come on the East End. Of course, me na kanike but the proud. I mean I really come there the proud so na East End come on. If you Obama we did the right now say no problem so na East End come on. Then na kanike me dey. Why you no kanike na the one that we dey. Kendo kisi done to we. But me na kanike but tiki. Of course, people that done the way we dey preach the peace to them. We tell them say not to be on life this. In the next 10 years, let me see we say one car we will say we proud to see na Saloya we dey. Let we think about sorry, maybe we forget about all the things that happen. See, I not get this, I not get that. We dey push. Of course, Bash, I remember I come from you 3-4 years back.
Yeah.
You know, one kind of young somebody really inspire so many young people in our life today. You understand? Doing youth program, doing youth advocates, you go out talk to youth and so young people. I believe that kind of thing that we all want for embark on. But we dey go another comedy way. I believe say comedy are the only measures we not get side effects. You understand? Doctor know what they say overdose, we take this pass mark, you know deep laugh now laugh. When you laugh, of course, we dey call that fun. February 20.
Yes.
Yeah, Namiata conference. Of course, we all live for the day.
And we don't prepare to
Really.
Okay, I'll come back to our name. I'm Mohamed Elmer. Oga Wowo. We said we don't take the role of Mother Bill. I come to Richie Obama. We don't take the role of Chief Sam Sumana. Yeah. So Richie, you don't get your own female, but the radio performance alone don't tell you say you get strong potential in you. How best you don't tell the message other young people and how they are when you fans them or people that say don't they admire Richie and want for being more than Richie.
Like I can tell people always around say, you see, violence and it take person going inside.
No.
When a person for so see person they make violence business, I they go off, I they feel for faints. I like my public I they want faints. You understand? Like that. So like what I can see some people learn sometimes then they make violence and call us say no, not call for. Me, I want to demand the way for more than me I don't want the effects. Nobody knowing that this country they also don't want the suicide effects. One day. You know why? Because one thing, I don't want to let me say this style wasabi for fete with certain are they ashke they tende because na ashke they fete na they abisabi o. They tell you the fete they say kiladi oh kiladi. Now they style enemy sabi now. You understand eh? Anybody now they style on again nowadays it makes sense. Why you never make that kiladi style for make so? But why don't go take for you nef? But make kiladi.
Yes.
Why make it? Then they wait up by his side you go on now. That's so like I look all and I say let me know mix perfect business. I just quiet so like I can call some my own community. I dey pass 5-6 community. Me na proud Eastern and I like the life for me. I don't like lie. I don't live Eastern, but I don't live Kisi. I don't live Sport Road. I don't live
Godwin Eastern, you see.
Okay, sorry. I don't live Kisi. I don't live Poti. I don't live Kuntolo. I don't live Wellington. I don't. Nah, they are Allentown. You understand? Like that. I dey tell. Okay, me Allentown man. I dey tell. I say fet no fine. Fet no. You know they take fet for K go inside. Brutality, you know they take person anywhere. You understand? Now this election don't come. Argument be way you posse argue. Say you see the posse mood don't change. Left arm, go they don't sleep. Okay, then they make football. Maybe I know they watch on a cinema. Me also they watch film na me. When they watch football na me also. If you get like, hey Manchester, we go big. As the point man me want to I tell you play love behave like big man. So you don't watch am what time go na do. You know, because that point, you know let me na my point for me at the vex. They will look at to company. They will laugh at the situation like this politics so don't come. Don't know. I can tell people like outside. Even take on a college. We come in the FBC. Me not to like this way they near me. I want stupid college they go. Not college in
behave.
Why you call them Ibatech? You know like that. I can tell people on college on buses. Sometimes I go me motor college. I pack up. I load for the bus go down. I load for a car. Tell people they say fete not for day. Let's say if you come, you know, teach you to the extent you make for fete safe. You understand? We get more for do na this country. And when it comes to comedy, we see since when we enter inside comedy, we try to push comedy go far. And now we see say non-violence don't come for let we preach am. And we ready for preacher, holy and solely. Me eye bloody pa money, but this I blind me eye small. Even though I lock my eye, I hope you eye. Because we see money, I open it to you understand? Like that. But mastermind, then give you hope, then give you word, then say we say, do this thing for the sake of your country. Now my country this. You understand? And the country is why they will sabi me as comedian.
And all the people say we're not doing our very best.
Yes.
For mimic them people in it. But if we wanna go, we'll get a live performance from like I'm to Thomas More before we take one material, we go pull na some parts Cambia, Moyamba and also Kabbalah. Moses, how would I intend for carrying on with this advocacy? It will stop after the elections or will carry on with them?
No, the advocacy they continue, and waiting we do now. So now that make we call on people will get interest in programs like this. People will get salon at heart, just as then young people also don't manifest patriotism. There is no other way for show patriotism. I feel say this now one best way for show patriotism when you use what you get for the betterment of the state, not to by using involving antisocial activities, cause, stone, injure your company at times like this. This is now one way for show patriotism, and I really don't off me out to them. You see, we get to continue with this.
Okay.
We have to continue this, and that is where we actually advocate that resourceful people or institutions see the need for coming and support, because as young people we try our best, but we go on for do big things or bigger things. We go on to take this thing to communities. This will just be the beginning of a long journey. Yeah, on the 20th of February, waiting will happen at Miata Conference Hall, not for be the end of this project.
To the communities and also the provinces.
We need to take this thing down to the least person. Everybody with people and for seeing manners to live like the communities there. We need to engage community centers. We need to engage court barriers in different villages and areas within Sierra Leone. For send down the message, let the message filter down that this na time we all need for be sober minded. Sierra Leone is a very beautiful country. We all are beautiful people there. We all get religion, we all get with different tribes, we get with different beliefs them. We always don't live in peace as people. But the thing make one cause problem for we, na elections. Now elections they make party business scatter between two friends. Now elections they make papa and mama they see different.
And they give an early warning. When this election on council, avoid meal.
They see early warning. We don't even see signs them. Of course, as I be count today, I know even we never for even count, we never for even deal with vehicle, because all over the place was rowdy. People where they attack so, where they run so, this that. Enough will be. There are people who want to go on with their lives. Even though they belong to political parties, they want to live peacefully. Even if you belong to a political party, that don't mean say you for going to fet. Okay. So what you want from that take now a thorough non-violence and tolerance campaign. So this now will just stop on the 20th.
So get more resources now.
So we need more resources in form of money, in form of people that will get the ideas. We need people that will help for come on board with different things. That will bother an editor. He use his expertise as an editor for help with what as them the skits that they do. Of course, we own different ways of we come in. We don't want for play the comedy. We don't want for do the editing. But we get what we do.
As in the case of more like content and barrister, so we see them come and send the message out.
So that is what we feel say we for do.
Okay.
And that is where Citizens Advocacy Network, Mastermind, and any other person or any other organization we feel say as you yourself be a play role in the skits. You self play role, you are a journalist. But that is what we do. That is what we should do as Sierra Leoneans, because the stakes are very high in the electoral process when they come.
You know what you don't say
no, that will not you don't say our government to look for. We are on a government. Don't look for government. We are on a government.
That's fine. And name Thomas More content from Citizens Advocacy Network. This is a youth encounter and it comes to live on Star TV channel 21. I still get now the studio Mohamed Mara, Ogawa, and I still also get Richmond. Yeah, very, very strong guy. You know, Richie Obama, one guy, for instance, you say you laugh, and even Ogawa.
The shortest comedian.
Yes, you know,
short,
and we pay respect to all the other comedians that who come now, the studio, likes of the Kindo and Yemata. We play, the faculty then play different role them. And Mukhtar said they would do the studio, Mukhtar Ba, we na the editor. Let me work a quick one and go see how Christmas Foundation we don't give support to over 200 picking them na Cambia, Moyamba and Kabbalah. and he also give them scholarship. Lamin Mansari be the part of the team, and they send this report for we inside the encounter.
Speaking to this medium, the founder and chief executive officer of Chris Mans Foundation, Fatima Christiana Mansare, said that the challenges the children are faced with and her situation she experienced during her upbringing inspired the burning desire to establish the foundation that has impacted the lives of many children in just about a year since it was established. The outreach, she said, is geared towards supporting the less privileged children by supporting them with school materials such as bags, books, pens, pencils, rulers, and fun toys, noting that such a gesture will help capacitate and encourage those who are striving to attain education in deprived situations.
To say like I come up from a very poor background. I know what I go through with my parents for let them bring me up like today. So like myself, I thought I fit say I need for support everything there. Because now like dream where I belong get. When I maintain them books there, whatever notes them when I write by the way, when I take as a precious goal from Chris Mans Foundation, we will continue for camp. But if I promise me say when I go trap on I love when I all one day I like picking. So when I not see they grab me so I need for promise me today say when I left for the trap on school.
The founder and chief executive officer, Fatima Christiana Mansari, also committed herself to personally cater for 6 children from each of the schools visited until they complete their primary school education. Parents and teachers express appreciation to Chris Mans Foundation for the gesture as a promise to continue to play their role in ensuring that the children are well taken care of.
Me, at the time you come to my let them put them in school. And then help people let them put them in school. If the kids don't have you know they go school, you know they feel fine. Any people want to know for say this, you know they go school. And they telling people let them put them in school. Because anything are God.
Find them. Only this thing for Canary, Papa God help them. Add for them. Maybe they bad or poor, you don't get nothing no more. So like this, me are glad. I know say as time they go. And so things they will come. Now they don't say 25. But the other time, for them, Chris Mans Foundation took out 50. And so no more.
Other highlights include commitment from other members of the Chris Mans Foundation to provide direct support to over 10 children from the 8 schools visited, and a pledge by a popular comedian, Amidou Cissé, fondly known as Jebes, to support a child from Bradford, Ribi Chiefdom in the Moyamba district, which also form part of the highlights. According to the founder and chief executive officer of Chris Mans Foundation, the gesture will be replicated in other parts of the country. Reporting for Star News and Freetown, I am Lamin Mansari.
Many thanks to Lamin Mansari. We'll be taking time for go na Kambia Kabbalah and saying so my mother bringing out to read for we. As we know them can now with young people in making. You know the age bracket for Salon youth now 15 to 35 according to the 2014 revised national youth policy. So if you still not help now within a young age day and they can turn out to be the bad people across the country. So we need to give them education. Now let me go and watch a short teaser we the mastermind we put together. And we'll find them, we will bring the full one to UNU. When we come back, we guess them go the wrap up as Rich Obama and faculty self done they put them best. And you get the likes of the Kindo, you get the Yemata. And we're in the studio today, ourselves, they will play Mother Beyond in role. We'll come back and talk to them because they say they're not going to go, they're not make fumble them when they watch TV, laugh. Let's watch the skit and carry on with the program.
It's Candy, baby. I buy side nine say one Sunday.
How will you go describe yourself inside politics? As some people will feel say you know small baba.
Small baba? Me na flag bearer and leader for a whole political party. Call me small baba.
Me na flag bearer. As soon as see me hands they not clean.
We make sure for say we count democracy back in this country. Then go tell una say when me be the UN and not do nothing. The Bankasuka Hydro. Now example, me if una give me power, I dey make sure say I dey face the one old country can crush me in the past.
Mastermind for this opportunity.
No violence. Vote with conscience. And put Sierra Leone first.
Yes, let me put Salon first. Now the skit and the full version day out. Now the social media. and they go reach plenty TV across the country. Mukhtar, we wrap up now. Waiting will be on the final message from Mastermind, and what I expect from the public. People say we get couple, we go on for fun.
Yes, I want to tell everybody thank you. We don't witness and waste this program. You know, Mastermind, as we don't say earlier, we purpose, you understand, to contribute to nation building. You understand? We want to elevate the arts. Then 5 startup comedians who will work with, so we want to ensure they reach to that kind of level. You understand? We actually get to program after the summit, February 20, we get for inside April. Okay. We decide to fix up the date. You understand? So this is like a consortium where they deal with different young professionals. We get lawyers, we get academicians, we get graphics people, we get different people. Okay. You understand? We now volunteers.
Journalists.
Journalists then, you understand? And all the people within inside, not so like any kind of person, some do university, some don't graduate. You understand? Everybody can even say we attach. We the kind of voluntarily for can give your input to the consortium.
Right. So Mukhtar, we want to say thank you and care you for the do well behind the camera. Let's say you want to come behind the camera now. So you can't phone the camera.
Yes, I can't phone the
okay,
camera.
and then Mohamed Mukhtar Ba and an editor, and then they put so much effort. Faculty, faculty, I don't know, maybe don't call me name. You make some kind of ways. I really in style. Okay, you left one out what you are left family with.
No, first of all, before I can, because I give family one joke. Because not to joke and I something happen there. But I just want to let family know for say after the February 20 show for Luna free, of course, although they forget invitation to certain people later for Canada show day. Like the Freetown Comedy Club they for put up we own debate after the national political debate. 15. We said it for make we own debate. We did debate. We did for sweet to for that debate. We did for do we own debate and let people watch out back for that and that's something for come very big and interesting. Okay. And you see and Uncle Bash before they come to me last one this is not 2 years happen, not to say that I'm bad. We they see to find an exam in college. You know be easy. You know say start and the way you don't study. Wait time reach for exam, you small thing and you forget. It's not really easy. Within a class, just imagine we get accounting for management. We find out more about that. I don't spell accounting. Management, that's how for spell. Yeah? Exam just start. How me for spell management? How come me party with me? Hamza. He say what happened? A big spell for me management. I say what it? The mood will get now you don't forget how for spell. When you don't feel a big spell for me. Now you say M-A-N-A, now you spell for me. I don't glad now say me party don't rescue me. You know 1 minute now hear your voice. Mara, now say now that. Now me na Hamza. I say what happened? A big spell for me that you want spell for you, but now say, hey, you will die today. You will die today. Don't be easy. Of course, family, I will just leave that one the book now. And let me not forget what say, and as my brother, we don't say, darkness not pulled out and darkness now light someone I need for come. So I believe for say, this is not politics they done. Now the only thing is way, in the past, he said he regrets what he done to your company. Yeah. Now we cannot for use the opportunity there for begin do people and bad. Because most people are waiting for enjoy inside politics. After election, not even reach 10%. Let me just look. With the bulk of the population, with the poor one, and are waiting for suffer more. So if you support wisely. If you dance that expectedly. Do and find way somebody say will not say indeed. That's just do that peaceful one, and that we all drive for peace.
I want to say thank you. In name na Mohamed El Mara Oga Wowo. You left when I reach Obama, Mr. Richmond Parcel Coker. Very fine name. What you are left with? You less than 1 minute, so 10 numbers inside the camera.
Now, I will tell people really about the way music system don't they right now. You know, say me like music more. You understand, eh? When you listen to the world, you listen to Spain pull fine music. You Spain the music. Despacito, any man saying when playing a seat, sweet music. Then they make America the back pull music. When I'm with you, I give a small touch. Wow. In Mona, England don't know about music. Then they go pull music. And the thing goes. Ghana, we're not concerned. Then go pull out a nice one. There you are. Etike. One corner. Salon just get at the border now. Look at it. Stop. Now the music that they were banned me. Stop. Abana tell me two small pikin. I say back end begin sing now. Top now. Two small pikin already na compound. We sit down close. I sit down before the pikin. And then the one looking come be nice. Uncle Richmond. Now say Uncle Richmond watch Zainab and that music now they sing. Now say I sit down before I know they sing. How you go say they sing? Now I say look in eye. Any make your eyes go back that mean soap. Now I say, so now, you understand like that. But like before I go, I tell people like, I get one ticker code don't do me or we call and go the soaky cane. Then for some people the way they papa violate. Alright, the ticker go like this. You were the Chucky company for politics feds.
God is so kicking.
You were to go check your company in postal because of something we're not concerned.
God is so kicking.
You were to go burn your company host because of politics.
God is so kicking.
You were to go now where you go like Paris, the lost Paris.
God is so kicking.
You Oga where okay, la left you side. Oga you were pass the people like baby there. God is so kicking. Sorry. No, you were not going to show. Maybe I get show. Bash, me show the come up. Match second. You pay night club. You understand? Again for be a nice show. They call her laugh till you go vote. 5 days to the show to the election. Now they make a match second at Queen's Night Club and again for be wonderful. I make sure say the ticket them all day at a reasonable price, 25,000 euros.
Because you make personal money.
At Shama,
God must
also became. I know. So like 25,000 euros for tickets. Then like for VIP, 150,000. Cheap. You can wake up and sleep if you go pay.
Ladies and
gentlemen, I love you. I don't.
No, you don't know. Yeah, you don't know.
Okay.
Thomas, you left on our left and 30 seconds. What you go be in final message you want for share on a number that I'll forget in touch with you now.
Yeah, well, I want to thank management of Star for giving the opportunity for let this message go out. And what we believe say the people and the audience them don't receive them very well. And we want for ask just for people them for come forward. I want for left certain contacts them where they will reach in case they want for support. This now 078 450 747 078 450 747. This is the one we contact them. 078 246328. And the other one 078 246328. In case somebody gets interest, you want to be part of this in any kind of way, not hesitate for call any of the numbers there. So and advance interest. I feel say this is an open business. We're ready for incorporate anybody we get good intention into this family for make sure say we promote nation building through this initiative.
Well, plenty thank you to you, Thomas Mokonte, and we'll not wait for Take the Road because people in Seven na PZ, na Eastern Police, Lumley, Step 1 for Silenga, Live na Tweet. Thank you to the rest of the people and we don't give support, Mastermind Consortium, and Mukhtar also be one for tell thank you to NKMA team and same with Star TV. You know that people if you not tell them think we can the media, you will get problem when you return. Now each of them not get tell me.
Tell me boss man thank you. Mr. Jones. We get crystal clear.
We see where each of them not can take it to him. Tell
me boss man thank you, Mr. Jones.
It's only button shoot. So the rest of the production team to Nariman Saint Tony Police Amadu Bar and also to my technical guys the likes of Babatunde and to George and Seme so Ezekiel Cabo. Thank you to all. We could talk about it, we don't tell you say snail mix per blood business and we are not fed nobody because no way not you go fed for you. Ask for your rights. If it's not right for you, go out and talk himself for one. Till then, get a wonderful time. I will not be on a presenter Moe Basiru Sanusi and encounter the repeat will come to on Sunday from 5 to 6 p.m. Have a wonderful day and care will be a professional in what you to do.
Sierra Leone's ever-growing youthful population still continues to grapple with high rates of unemployment and other challenges. Despite the enormous challenges, young people are still working on realizing their potential. With emerging entrepreneurs and innovators, Youth Encounter on Star Television and Radio is a program that showcases successful young people, discuss the challenges and provide recommendations. Join Mohammed Basiru Sanusi PM. It's Youth Encounter on Star TV on Channel 21.